Alright guys, the Modpack installation video for Trident SMP is here. Let's not waste any of our time and jump into the video. First of all, open up your Discord and go to the Modpack channel and click the media file link and download the zipped Modpack file. I have already downloaded it and saved it to a folder. You will do the same. Once you have downloaded it, you can open up T-Launcher and click the TL mods in the bottom area. Then press the Create button on the top area. And enter the version name as Trident Mod SMP. After that you have to select Fabric from this drop down and you can press the Create button. It will take a little bit of time depending on your computer. Top area. After that you have to select the small gear option near the version we just created. After you did that, it will open up a dialog box. In here you have to press the Open Modpack folder button. In this folder, we have to extract the zip file we downloaded. For that I will open up the folder where I saved the zip file, and drag drop it in the folder that T-Launcher created. Now, you have to extract the folder by right-clicking it and selecting Extract here. Once you are done extracting, you are pretty much good to go. You can also delete this zip file. Now close every folders and in T-Launcher press Enter the game. And yeah, that was pretty much it. You can now join the SMP and play with your friends. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like the video. If not, die.